Welcome to our channel. These videos are especially made for kids with ADHD and those who struggle to concentrate. We keep the visuals calm and simple, so nothing will distract your focus. Here we learn in a fun and easy way that will help you focus better and enjoy learning with us. How to watch your videos and take notes. Start with a calm place. Find a quiet spot where you can focus without distractions. Keep your notebook and pen ready. Make sure you have a notebook or paper and pen ready. That way you're prepared to write the right way. Listen and watch for key ideas. Listen carefully and look at the pictures in the video. Write down only the important words or thoughts. Keep it in short and simple. Use pictures and colors. Draw a quick sketch if something is hard to remember. And use colors to highlight different ideas. It makes it more fun and easier to remember. Pause if you need to. Press pause if you want to hear something again or if you need a little thinking time. You can even rewind to watch that part again. Write down questions. If you don't understand something, write it down so you can ask about it later or learn more. Quickly review your notes. At the end, look through your notes again. This helps you remember the important ideas better. And remember, there is an exercise at the bottom of the description that you can complete. If you subscribe, you can do it and test your knowledge further. Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the different tools that engineers and designers use to create amazing projects. Whether it's the trusty ruler and pencil or the advanced computer-aided tools, everything has its place in engineering graphics. Let's take a look at what you need to create a great design. Basic tools. Let's start with the basic tools. Engineering graphics requires tools that ensure precision and accuracy. The first and one of the most important tools is the ruler. It helps to draw straight lines and take measurements. The protractor. The next tool is the protractor. A protractor is a useful instrument for drawing and measuring precise angles. It is ideal when you need to indicate angles of 45 degrees or 90 degrees. It helps you achieve perfect angles without guessing. The pencil. And of course the pencil. It is the tool you use to write down and present your ideas. A pencil is easy to use and you can always erase it if something doesn't look right. It is one of the most basic yet most important tools in engineering graphics. Computer aided design, CAD. Now let's look at something more advanced. Computer aided design, or CAD, is the technology engineers use to create digital models of their ideas. These computer tools allow you to work not only in 2 dimensions but also in 3 dimensions, making it easier to visualize your ideas. Benefits of CAD. The great advantage of CAD is that you can easily make adjustments and test things before you actually build them. It is a powerful tool that makes the design process faster, easier and more precise. It helps avoid many mistakes that would have occurred with hand-drawn designs. Other CAD tools. CAD is not just for engineers. There are many other specific tools you can use, such as CAM, Computer Aided Manufacturing, which helps bring the design into the real world. These tools make it possible to create precise machine parts that perfectly follow the design. Why tools are important. Tools in engineering graphics are all about precision and accuracy. Whether you're using a simple ruler or an advanced CAD system, the right tools help you turn your ideas into a real product or structure. They make it easier to build things correctly and avoid mistakes. Now you know everything about the tools and resources engineers use to create amazing designs. From rulers to computer-controlled CAD tools, each instrument plays an important role. I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more interesting lessons until next time. If you're interested in this exercise, leave your email in the comments and I'll be happy to send it to you. Make sure you subscribe to gain access.